So then we can create a totally new different look. So it looks really dark on that one. I don't know why. So if you're doing ombre, I'm gonna do an ombre as well, and then we're probably going like about 70. And you don't have to be necessarily doing it like really thick, because we're gonna cap with clear coat as well. There you go. Let it set. I'm gonna make sure I'm getting a clear powder. And move on to the next one. I'm gonna do it like a hot pink. How's everyone doing on Friday? And yesterday was so much fun. I get to do really fun nails for like a newish chamfer foil, and also fusioning combination. It was a fun and long tutorials. I'm really enjoying it. This is really cool. It's neons. Like have a really bright color, so it doesn't apply the same as a just regular acrylic. It's really pigmented. Just a little bit, and I'm gonna do the ombre later. Move on to the next one. I'm doing like have a blue colors. Hey Jessie. Bella Nails, hello, how are you? Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Hope you're all doing great. Get my so it doesn't matter whatever blue that you have similar, you can absolutely create similar look like this. Just want to have the color base for this. And let this one set. Let's do all the base first. Let it set. Move on to the orange one. You can do a light nude to ombre later, or you can do like really like cover pink, or the nude to cover it, however you would like it. Let it dry, set for a little bit for nails. All right, so now it's set for us, and I am going to, I'm gonna clean my brush really quick and put on the side because I'm gonna need it shortly. And here is the newest butterfly stickers, a hollow silver and hollow gold. So I'm so excited because I really like the chamfer foil stickers yesterday, but also today's is so stunning. I can't wait because there are 10 different new kind you can absolutely do with. Ooh, it's really fun. I'm gonna do that and see how it's gonna turn out because I really like the bigger one. Can you see that? It looks like you see that how Instagram is so dark too. You know? I'm gonna encapsulating it, so it's gonna be really cool. And we'll do another one. I like that flowers as well. I know I can do that. All right, let's move on to the next one. Yeah, tomorrow, some detail on this if you want to. This is for all of you who doing a liquid and powder yesterday, for all of you who doing gel polish. So we did the pink one. Let's do a different butterflies. Let's do this super cute big one. I'm doing alternate from the like smaller ones, bigger one, silver and gold. Using on the other end of my tweezers. Just really cute right there. I'm doing a smaller one. This really depends on how long your nails is. You can do longer or more as the nails is longer, or shorter than you doing a smaller. You don't have to do the bigger, but I love the biggers like butterflies. We're gonna ombre a little bit in shortly, and that's the second one. Let's move on to another gold collection of that. They're so gorgeous, so beautiful. I can't like believe it. Oh, wrong way. This way. All right, so let's move on to the next one. There's different kind of butterflies, and I like that one a lot too. I want to go on the other side. Maybe that's one. This one. This kind right there. You can mix and match in a different there you go. And then maybe I'm doing flowers. This one. And then tiny little butterflies. It might be ombre covered, but she's still cute over in this corner right there. All right. Even if you're doing just that, it looks so beautiful by itself. And let's go to another silver one. We have this cute silver one right there. You can do a full butterflies as well. So this one is super cute. I'm gonna try that one. Right there. Sorry. Hey, thank you so much, Kate Lily. Thank you. I'm so glad you like it. They're so easy to do and it's hollow, so I'm really obsessed with this. I can't wait to see the final look though. So now, if you are encapsulating stickers, you don't want to using your monomers to go right in to your, doesn't matter, you can do it right that side, right here. You don't want to using the monomers to go right into the sticker. So what we're gonna do is to top coat that really thin coat and cure for 30 seconds. So then we can protect our butterflies before we're doing an ombre, or else it's gonna just dissolving all our stickers. So I add some. I didn't know that we have some cute stars here. Oh, let me see if I have some cute stars here. I might add some cute star. Do we have some here? Oh, right here. I found some cute stars. Really super cute. I'm gonna get smaller one. They're so adorable, both in silver and gold. Like, hold on. Great, if you're happy with this, let's move on to top coat this. My no wipe top coat. Coat all of them and cure for 30 seconds. Here you go. It's pink one. Facebook can't see right there. Perfect. And then the blue nails. How everyone doing Friday? I'm so excited because this totally a different of tutorials. This is for all of you who doing liquid and powders. Also, we try to alternate with liquid and powders, and any of you doing a gel polish. So we'll have all different tutorials for different technique. If you miss any of the live tutorial, you can absolutely watching them from our IGTV, Facebook, or YouTube.